Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Review. Today in this video we are going to test the speed of Samsung Galaxy S21 and iPhone 11 Pro. So let's go ahead to start with the apps and the games I downloaded from the App Store and Play Store of my devices. Then we are going to start opening them just here on this video. Let's go. Here we go, we're all done. Now we know which one's faster. Could you please tell me and comment your favorite phone on this video? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick 12 videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.